Hello everyone. I'm Savitha Hosamane here, and I'm super excited to share my first time scrambling trek adventure. Scrambling trek is a blend of hiking and climbing. Here, ascents are steep on rocky and uneven surfaces. I was super excited to explore nature's untamed beauty and jump to the unknown. Our journey began only after the sunrise. Though we insisted that we wanted to start the trek early, we were told that only after the sunrise the trek begins, as there are a lot of wild animals. We were greeted with leopard marks on trees, fresh and dried dung of bears. As we started moving into the heart of the wilderness, we also witnessed the Parsitar of silence. We moved further and then we got to playing with our echoes in the mountains. Then we looked at the banyan tree peak and just wanted to be there. But as we started towards the banyan tree, we realized that we had to encounter a lot of challenges. It was not as easy as it looked. We had to push past our limits to reach the peak and also to descend. We thought that this is the summit, but then our guide told us the summit is much ahead. So when we reached the summit, we were reluctant to actually reach the point of the summit because we had no gear, we had no experience of climbing on these rocks. But our guide Suresh pushed us, saying that do not miss out on this opportunity. He said he will be there to handhold and guide us to reach this summit. With an uncertain mind and with fear, we started ascending with the strong belief that there is a guide who is going to handhold us. Slowly, our doubts and our fears started dissolving, and we emerged stronger. When I reached these rocks where we had to jump, though the guide pushed me a lot, saying that I can do it, I did not have the trust in myself to take that leap of faith and do it on my own. I took his help, and only then did the jumping act. Reaching the top felt amazing. Looking down, it felt like seeing a huge painting of the land below. It's so beautiful just to stand, and this one moment, I lost my mind. And at that moment, I literally felt on the top of the world.
ಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಲೇಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಾವು ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಮುದವಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುದುವಾಡಿ ಅಂತ
Mudwadi. How many of you think that you do not have any fear? If you want to let go of your fear, come to a place like this, in this nature, and see how each step matters. We think that we have let go of so many things. What I found is at each step we struggle a lot. And we are so scared. Though I feel that I have let go of everything, but there is so much of fear of life, fear in every step. This was my greatest learning today. So, to let go of our fears, we need to give a chance to ourselves. This beautiful nature and Just look at just look at these steps. Yes, I came through this. Life has its own way of teaching.
ಸೊ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಈ ಥರ. ಸೊ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಹೌದು. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ಹಾಂ.
In the end, it's not the mountains we conquer, but our own selves, isn't it? So these are my three learnings. My first lesson was that trust begins with our own selves. Start trusting ourselves. That is when we gain the strength to overcome obstacles and the journey becomes achievable. My second lesson is that fear manifests in various forms, be it the fear of failure, the fear of injury, the fear of the unknown. Yet, with each obstacle faced and conquered, we prove to ourselves that fear is not a barrier, but a stepping stone towards growth. My third lesson is that it's in this struggle we discover our true strength. This trek gave me an opportunity to experience the beauty of nature, the bonds formed with fellow trekkers, and the sense of accomplishment. These are the true rewards of the trekking experience. Thank you so much for watching. And in case you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe for Dream 100 Business Show. And do let us know what kind of videos you would love to see. We will work upon it. Thank you so much.